DJ Delz, you know I love you.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? We got the Freddie Mercury FYE exclusive, the Diamond Collection. And we're about to give you a detailed look out of the box. I did do a detailed look at all of them out of the box. If you want to watch that review of them all out of the box, not this one, but all the other ones, I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Bang that thumbs up button, please, for that out-of-the-box look. I know not everyone likes taking them out the box. We do that here for you, and you. And make sure to subscribe if you're new. Let's get into this review. And here we go. Definitely an awesome pop. Getting close up on the pants, just super glittery. And the wristband looks awesome, too. I have tons of music Funko Pop here, so if you're a fan of music Funko Pop, I'll try to put a playlist somewhere on the screen. This should be at most retailers today, and it will be online very shortly. I will have a link in the description box below for your convenience on this pop and a ton of others. There's a look at his side profile, and there's a look at his back. And there's a link at his other side. Once again, these will be linked in the description box below. And make sure to subscribe. We have tons of content here. You see how many Funko we got. We got a lot of Funko all over the place. So make sure, if you love Funko, subscribe and stay tuned for more content. We've got the Queen Collection, courtesy of Entertainment Earth. If you're looking for these, I will link them in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition, or they will take care of the problem. If they have dents, they are good to go. And when you pre-order from them, they do not charge you until the product ships, which is really nice, because there's nothing worse than pre-ordering a Funko Pop months in advance and they took the money out of your bank account, but you don't see the Funko Pop for months. At least with Entertainment Earth, they actually don't charge you until the product ships. So we got Brian May, we got John Deacon, we got Freddie Mercury, and we've got Roger Taylor. Amazing music, so many anthems. Let's take them out of the box. Before we do so, bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look, and let's get right into it. Here's a look at them out of the box. Looks fantastic. I think they really nailed it. Really nailed it. Especially, besides Freddie Mercury, I love how they got Brian May. Really looks a lot like him with that hair. Must have if you're a die-hard Queen fan. Perfect gift to give someone also. If you know someone that loves Queen, this would be a fantastic gift to give. So I will link it in the description box below. Let me know your top favorite Queen songs. I'll give you my top 3. If you want to go with your top 3, go ahead. Number 1's got to be We Are the Champions. It's just such an epic, glorious song. The vocals are incredible. The instrumentation is amazing. It's powerful. Plus, you got to put in the mix, if we're talking about epic and powerful music, you got to put in We Will Rock You. I mean, if that doesn't get the blood flowing, then I don't know what will. Especially when it comes to sports. You hear that throughout the years, them drums, that boom, boom, tap, boom, boom, tap. To this day, I mean, you have that playing, boom, boom, tap, boom, boom, tap. And then the lyrics come in. I definitely guarantee everyone that's watching this is agreeing with me. And then you got to throw in Bohemian Rhapsody. I mean, just the vocal performance alone is just incredible. I mean, this man is one of the greatest vocalists ever. Hands down, Freddie Mercury. Just amazing. But the band in general, legendary. They go in the books, in the history books, one of the greatest bands ever. Please, if you haven't hit the thumbs up button, please do so. And subscribe if you're new. I have my new Funko Pop inspired t-shirts. Link will be in the description box below. Ships worldwide, fits true to size. Support the channel today by picking one up. And I also have a podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. We have 39 episodes. Anything goes with Q&A. Once you join the Patreon, all the episodes unlocked. If you want to get a sample of it, there's some that are unlocked before you join. So if you want to take a listen, there are some. Just scroll down. You'll see the ones that are already unlocked. Check it out. I think you will definitely enjoy it. Much love out there, and we out. Boom.